Hello, everybody. Clever Hilarious 20 here. And today, I got something in the mail from eBay. I gotta go open it. I got a DVD of VeggieTales, Duke of the Great Pie War. And this is the repackaged edition, since it has the 2009 VeggieTales logo on it. Anyways, here's the front. There's a spy god character profile, Duke, played by Larry the Cucumber. There's the back. It says, "Joust, do it." Sweet Princess Petunia. She joins Bob and Larry in the VeggieTales game that's delightful. Inspired by the biblical story of Rafe and Naomi. Featuring a brand new silly song, Larry's Blues. Bonus features include behind the scenes, progression reel, art gallery, audio commentary, jousting documentary, deleted scenes, trivia, karaoke, interactive storybook, obstacle course game, family activity, how to draw Petunia, how to draw Miriam, DVD ROM file, and Easter eggs, previews, 5.1 surround sound, English Spanish subtitles. Here's the disc. So there, that's. Oh, before I end this video, before you ask, yes, I might have to put a hiatus on ordering anything online. The reason being is because I want to save my money for Christmas, which is coming up. I mean, in like 2 weeks. Well, anyways, I guess that's it. Gotta go now. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.